one of the like mission work, if you want to call it, or if you are really like curious on what I do. I'm also one of the grid worker. What is a grid worker? A grid worker usually stabilizes or neutralize the frequency of the grid. Okay, so you don't really have to do anything, do rituals, do anything like that. You are unlimited being, so anything is possible just by being there, being present, and how you feel your frequency. You can do stabilize the field already just by being there, by being present, not getting sick, not getting, yeah, just like that. It will already strengthen the grid work of the matrix. Because this is a hologram, and to make it work, for others to participate for longer periods of time, there should be like a grid worker, somebody that can, neutralize everything so it can continue, right? To have a place where souls can enjoy and have fun. So, I mean, that's my interpretation. It's not really about exiting the matrix, because for me it's where is heaven? Heaven is on earth, okay? So yeah, I had fun with this journey, 4 bodies of water to naturalize the space or the grid, right? And I like connected to at least around 5 people, so that's good. Even just one soul is really good. So 5 souls, so that's really nice. That's really nice. So yeah, so far I'm already okay. Had fun with the food. Yeah, and the experience too. Seeing the rides and stuff. That's it.